Is Halloween your favorite time of year because of the thrilling variety of candy ready for you to devour? We agree. Make this Halloween cookie bark for a hauntingly huge Halloween treat fix. In a double boiler or heat-proof bowl over a pot of boiling water, combine milk chocolate and 1 tablespoon of shortening. Melt the chocolate, stirring often until it's creamy and smooth. Keep the chocolate warm to make sure it's easily spreadable into a layer. In a second double boiler, combine the orange candy melts and 1 tablespoon of shortening. Melt the candy, stirring often until it's creamy and smooth. Prepare an 8-inch square baking dish by lining it with parchment paper. This parchment paper will help you remove the cookie bark after it is firmed up. Cover the bottom of the pan with whole pieces of graham crackers. Pour melted milk chocolate over the graham crackers. Use a spatula to evenly spread the chocolate out to the corners and edges of the dish. Pour the melted candy over the chocolate layer and use a spatula to spread it evenly around the dish. Scatter mini marshmallows all over the orange candy layer. Generously sprinkle crushed Oreos over the marshmallows. Randomly litter the Reese's Pieces over the Oreos. Drop the candy corn all over the Reese's Pieces. And finally, add the Halloween-colored sprinkles over the top. To make sure the candy and crushed cookies stick to the bark, place a piece of parchment paper over the top of the candy and use your hands to apply pressure. Place the baking dish in the refrigerator to let the melted chocolate and candy melts to set and harden. When ready to serve, carefully tip the baking dish over and pop out the cookie bark. Use your hands to break the bark into pieces. Set the cookie bark on a serving platter and watch it deliciously disappear.